Welcome to our channel where safety meets innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive safety, specifically focusing on one of the most crucial components of your vehicle, the brakes. With technological advancements pushing boundaries, we have handpicked the 7 best brake innovations designed to enhance your driving experience, ensuring you and your loved ones remain safe on the road. So buckle up as we explore these game changers in the world of car safety. Number 1. Raybestos EHT 976H Brake Pad Set. The Raybestos EHT 976H Brake Pad Set emerges as a leader in enhancing vehicle safety, crafted to deliver superior performance without sacrificing reliability. These brake pads are a result of cutting-edge engineering, combining hybrid materials that excel in both strength and noise reduction. This unique blend ensures a smooth, quiet ride while providing the stopping power needed for safety. The durability of the EHT 976H model is unmatched, tailored to endure various driving environments from bustling city streets to remote country roads. This resilience means drivers can rely on their braking system to perform when it matters most, without the worry of frequent replacements. Moreover, Raybestos' advanced coating technology plays a crucial role in reducing brake dust, a common issue that can affect the performance and appearance of wheels. This technology not only keeps your vehicle looking pristine, but also prolongs the life of the rotor, showcasing Raybestos' dedication to product longevity. Installation of these brake pads is straightforward, designed to fit seamlessly with existing systems, making them accessible to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Furthermore, Raybestos' commitment to sustainability is evident in their production process, aiming to reduce the environmental footprint of their products. The EHT 976H brake pad set is not just about enhancing vehicle performance. It's about offering a responsible choice for drivers who value safety and environmental conservation. Number 2. Bendix CSC 1421 Premium Brake Pads. The Bendix CSC 1421 Premium Brake Pads stand at the forefront of braking innovation, designed for drivers who seek the ultimate in safety and performance. The utilization of ceramic materials marks a significant advancement, offering a quieter braking experience that significantly reduces the noise associated with braking. This quiet operation does not come at the expense of performance, as these pads provide a smooth, reliable stop every time. Durability is a hallmark of the CSC 1421 pads, with a composition that withstands the rigors of both daily commutes and more demanding driving conditions. This endurance translates into a product that drivers can depend on for the long haul, ensuring safety and performance that lasts. Additionally, Bendix's focus on reducing brake dust contributes to a cleaner vehicle aesthetic, maintaining the pristine appearance of your wheels while also enhancing the longevity of the braking system. What sets the Bendix CSC 1421 apart is not just its superior stopping power, but also its reliability. These brake pads embody Bendix's dedication to advancing automotive safety technology, offering drivers peace of mind with every stop. With these pads, Bendix continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in braking technology, delivering a product that exceeds expectations in every aspect of performance and safety. Number 3. Raybestos EHT 905H Brake Pad Set. Raybestos reaffirms its position as a leader in the brake pad industry with the EHT 905H brake pad set, blending innovation with versatility. Suitable for a diverse array of vehicles and driving conditions, this set is designed to optimize heat dissipation, a critical factor in enhancing the performance and extending the lifespan of the brake pads. The ability to effectively manage heat ensures these pads perform optimally even under intense braking scenarios. Noise and vibration reduction are central to the design of the EHT 905H, ensuring a driving experience that is both comfortable and quiet. This focus on reducing auditory and tactile disturbances enhances the overall quality of the ride, making long journeys more enjoyable and stress-free. Durability is also a key feature of these brake pads, designed to deliver consistent performance regardless of the driving environment. This reliability is further supported by Raybestos' proprietary coating technology, which not only protects the pads but also the rotors, extending the lifespan of the braking system and ensuring value for money. The EHT 905H brake pad set is more than just a component. It's a testament to Ray Bestos's commitment to safety, innovation, and value. Offering drivers a high-quality braking solution that meets the demands of modern driving, Ray Bestos continues to set the standard in the automotive industry. Number 4. Bendix CFC 1114 Ceramic Brake Pad. The Bendix CFC 1114 ceramic brake pad sets a new standard in braking efficiency, offering drivers an exceptional level of control and safety. Crafted from high-quality ceramic materials, these pads ensure a braking experience that is not only quiet but also clean, significantly reducing the amount of brake dust produced. This reduction in noise and dust enhances the driving experience, ensuring a more pleasant and maintenance-free ride. The material composition of the CFC 1114 pads is engineered for longevity, offering a braking solution that withstands the test of time. This durability means fewer replacements and more consistent performance, a testament to Bendix's commitment to quality. The integration of advanced technology ensures these brake pads perform reliably across a range of temperatures and conditions, providing drivers with confidence in their vehicle's braking system. Bendix's dedication to innovation is evident in the CFC 1114 model, a product that exemplifies the company's pursuit of excellence in automotive safety. By choosing Bendix, drivers are opting for a brake pad that not only enhances the safety of their vehicle, but also contributes to a more enjoyable driving experience. The CFC 1114 ceramic brake pad is a reflection of Bendix's commitment to leading the way in braking technology, offering unparalleled performance and reliability. Number 5. WEIZD 1084D 967 Brake Pad Set. The WEIZD 1084D 967 brake pad set steps into the market as a beacon of affordability meeting high-end performance. These brake pads are meticulously crafted to serve a wide array of vehicles, ensuring that no matter what you drive, you'll find a match in these pads. The genius lies in their advanced friction formula, which guarantees exceptional stopping power, a vital attribute for sudden halts and emergency braking scenarios. Durability isn't just a promise but a delivered feature with these pads. Designed to brave the toughest conditions, they stand resilient against wear and tear, promising longevity without a compromise in their performance. What's more, the installation process is engineered to be user-friendly. This means that drivers, regardless of their mechanical skill level, can upgrade their vehicle's braking system without breaking a sweat. The WEIZD 1084D 967 set emerges as the go-to choice for those in pursuit of an efficient, economically viable solution to boost their vehicle's safety arsenal. Number 6. Bosch 50mm 11343 Quake Cast Brake Rotor. Bosch redefines the essence of braking with its 50mm 11343 Quake Cast Brake Rotor, a masterpiece of precision engineering. This rotor is the epitome of Bosch's innovation, crafted for peak performance. It boasts an advanced metallurgical composition that enhances its durability and facilitates superior heat dissipation. This not only improves the rotor's lifespan but also its braking efficiency. The Quake Cast rotor lives up to its name by offering a whisper-quiet braking experience. This is achieved through Bosch's proprietary technology, which significantly reduces braking noise, thus elevating the comfort level of your drive. Moreover, the rotor is adorned with a protective coating, safeguarding it against rust and corrosion. This not only ensures its longevity but also maintains its visual appeal. Bosch's dedication to excellence is manifest in every facet of the 50mm 11343 Quake Cast Brake Rotor, positioning it as the preferred choice for motorists who demand nothing short of the best in vehicle safety and performance. Number 7. KFE 815-104 Ultra Quiet Ceramic Brake Pad. KFE Brake Systems concludes our selection with the KFE 815-104 Ultra Quiet Ceramic Brake Pad, distinguished for its whisper-quiet operation and robust performance. These ceramic pads are the culmination of advanced engineering, designed to minimize noise and brake dust. This commitment to cleanliness and quietude ensures a driving experience that is both pleasant and pristine. The choice of premium materials not only enhances the pad's stopping power, but also extends their service life, representing significant savings over time. Compatibility is another hallmark of the KFE 815-104 pads. Their design accommodates a broad spectrum of vehicles, underscoring their versatility. Installation is straightforward, empowering vehicle owners to elevate their safety features without professional assistance. Kawasaki brake system's dedication to quality and innovation is evident, offering motorists a reliable, superior braking solution that stands the test of time. Today, we've explored the forefront of car brake innovations, each product offering a unique blend of safety, performance, and durability. Whether you prioritize quiet operation, minimal dust, or overall efficiency, there's an option on this list that meets your needs. Remember, investing in high-quality brakes is not just about enhancing your driving experience. It's about ensuring the safety of everyone on the road. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest in automotive safety technology. Drive safe and see you in our next video.